Welcome to the travel vlog. Today we are traveling to Savannah, Georgia to kayak bass fish a private lake that I have access to. So hope you enjoy the travel vlog section. It's new to the channel. Just trying to change some things up as we're going to try to travel the state of Georgia starting in late 2023 to 2024, because we have a lot of things lined up for the channel. So hope you enjoy this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment saying that I'm subscribed, and because we have a lot of content that's fixing to come out in 2024. So thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed the video. There's a fish. Good morning. We are back out on the water. Just me today, nobody with me. We're gonna see what we can come up with today. Back in Savannah, Georgia. Get the trolling motor deployed in. See if we can catch some fish. Get the Humminbird Helix 7 fired up here. See what the old Humminbird to do. Well, it's a change of temperature from yesterday. 58 degrees, water temperature 66 degrees. Water clarity is muddy, but we'll see what we can come up with today. We're going to fish to about 2 or 3. Little chick magnet. Let's see what we can come up with. Yeah. Going into that wind. Yeah, just a beautiful day here in Georgia. Just gonna see what we can come up with. Just fish around and just have a good old day here. Just a nice, beautiful fall morning. Some of the trees are changing. Got a jerk bait in my boat here. We're gonna throw this chick magnet for a while. I'll get to a different color. Muddy, not real muddy, but not as clear as it usually is in this little lake. grass right there. Yep, hit some grass. Fish on the hummingbird here. I'm gonna probably throw a shaky head. Good old grass. Red crawl color. You see what? Tell you what, this weather feels good compared to what it is here during the summertime in Georgia. Get up on this road bed up here. Bottom right there. Fish hanging out right here on this ledge. You know what? We're gonna switch over to a different color, it being muddy and all that. Tied his hybrid hunter on. I know the dentist loved me biting his line like this. Tie that hybrid hunter on right there. Got a little bit of yellow tint to it, might be better, they can see it. There's a fish. There's a fish. There you go, boys. Just a subtle bite. Just a subtle bite. Can you measure it up here? He'll probably go about 14, 15 inches. I just like to measure them, see how they're growing. See how they grow. There you go. 15 and a half, 15 and a quarter, somewhere around there. Right there on that drop off. Just a nice subtle bite. Just a nice subtle bite. I'm gonna shake your head. Well, we got the skunk out the boat. Got the skunk out the boat.
Let me show you my countryside.